Here I'm looking at so I had to buy another charger for MacBook Pro 16-inch. So I got these two. The reason being is I left my charger in another city. So you have to buy two separately. You have to get the 240 watt charger cable, 2 meters, and USB-C 140 watt power adapter for it as well. So they don't come in one set, you have to do it separately. So I'm going to look at both these individually. So start with, here's a 240 watt charge cable, a USB-C, obviously to USB-C. Let's go and take a look at it. So you can buy these if you want. They're all Apple accessories. You take it out. Now what I like about this is how sturdy it is, because have a look at the cable here. It feels really good quality. There's USB-C there, USB-C there. So it's very, very sturdy, and also does fast charging as well. So it transfers at USB 2 rates. It's 240 watt as well. So it's very good to syncing your data and transferring data between your tablet. So you can also use the USB-C cable, not just a power cable as well. So put it to the side. Now we've got the USB-C power adapter, which we can use. Again, it's a MacBook Pro 16. Take a look. So let's go and open up and see what comes in it. So I tried to buy it with the cable, but it didn't come with it. So there it is, just there. Now there it is. So this is 140 watt that it uses. So it gives nice fast charging with the cable. And if we could combine it with the cable here it is as well. So as always, great quality products from Apple. And there's the Apple logo on there as well.